It is Saturday, December 17th, 2011, about 11:30 p.m., and it is less than 30 degrees outside. According to weather.com, it is 28 degrees. And I am hoping my aunt and uncle's heat pump goes into defrost before I decide to call it a night and go to bed. I've only been out here a few minutes. It was running when I came out here. I heard it running, but then it shut off before I got around the shrubbery here. And as you can see, I've got a nice high-intensity fluorescent light, so if it goes into defrost and produces a steam show, I will be able to see the steam. And it is still reasonably frozen. Don't know how well you can see that. Even if it doesn't defrost, I'll put this in the Trane startup shutdown heat mode video. And then I got an XL1800 I'm going to be filming tomorrow morning. Don't know if I'll be able to get a defrost cycle out of that, but I'm definitely going to be able to get a video of it running. Here you can see it's frozen. The thermostat is set to 70 right now. Don't know when it'll come back on. I'm probably going to call it a night pretty soon. So this is a 2001 Trane XE1000 Weathertron heat pump, 5 nominal tons, matched up with a Trane variable speed air handler from 2006. It's light. It's a really nice light. I may ask for one of these for Christmas. And I don't know what kind of compressor this has. I think it's a scroll, but I am not sure. Yeah, that's a scroll. It's got a scroll, and it's got dual filter dryers. It's got the internal filter dryer right down there, and an external filter dryer. Alright. I'm hoping this thing comes back on soon. Because what this thing has done in the past is it'll be frozen up, and then it'll shut off, and then it'll just come back on like less than a minute later and defrost. It is very, very cold. See my breath. That's my breath right there. This thing produces quite a steam show when it's defrosting. I saw that about 3 years ago. Alright, I want to conserve camera battery. And I got the XL1800 to film tomorrow, so won't be a total loss. It's got the spine fit coils. I like this flashlight. Yeah, I think the ice frost is starting to dissipate. Damn it! It's probably defrosted. Oh, there's some right there. It's still a little bit there. Oh, yeah. Really crystallized right there. Oh. It's probably defrosted at least once. Oh, there's drippage right there. Look. Ice. That would be an indication of a defrost cycle right there. Yeah, there's little tiny icicles hanging off the bottom of the unit here. Yeah, this thing definitely defrosted. And like I said, the thermostat's set to 70. I could sneak in there and notch it up a little bit, but my aunt would get a little bit pissed off at me for that. Yeah, hopefully I'll get a video of it defrosting tomorrow morning. Alright, I'll be back tomorrow morning. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out, and I'll bet you it's gonna kick back on right after I walk away from it. Alright, out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.